Hey everyone, we're wrapping up our CES 2020 coverage today with a roundup of the top announcements this year. Streaming video doesn't stop growing, but even a simple setup takes some time to figure out. Roland has something to make that easier. Their GO LIVECAST is an all-in-one streaming switching solution for smartphones and tablets, allowing you to easily switch between front and rear cameras, soften skin, and even switch between a secondary smartphone. Perfect for that up-and-coming YouTuber. Nikon took to the floor with 4 new items: a 120 to 300mm zoom, a Z-mount 70 to 200mm to fill out the classic range of lenses, the D780 DSLR that borrows features from both the D850 and Z-series mirrorless cameras, and also the P950, Nikon's latest in its fixed lens super zoom series, capable of an astonishing 83 times optical zoom. PowerVision brought its new PowerEgg X drone. True to its name, it looks like an egg and is the successor to their original PowerEgg. With detachable legs and propellers, the PowerEgg X can become an AI camera capable of tracking people in a scene automatically. And in its wizard configuration, the PowerEgg X is a waterproof solution that has optional water landing floats. You can even land or take off from the water. Panasonic brought out a new 4K camcorder, or shall I say, 3 new camcorders. The HCX2000, X1500, and AGCX10 are all deceptively similar. The difference? An easy-to-attach handle on the X2000 that offers XLR inputs and an on-camera light. The CX10 loses the handle but retains 3G SDI, while the X1500 lacks the handle and SDI. The good news is that the handle works on all 3. Pretty cool. And lastly, as we spoke about in one of our earlier videos, Sony surprised everybody with the announcement of its concept car, the Vision S, an electric autonomous car that builds on Sony's sensor and display technology. So that's it. Check out the links below to find out more about these products and to share your thoughts. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and don't forget to click that notification bell so you're the first to hear when we put out a new video. I'm Doug with B&H, and have a happy CES.